In this video, we will learn how to create pivot table in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some data. First, select any cell and press the Ctrl A to select the full data. Then go to the Insert tab and click on the pivot table. Ensure that range is properly selected and click on the new sheet if you want to create the pivot report in new sheet. If you want to create the pivot report in existing sheet, you can select the existing sheet. I select here new sheet and click on create. So here you see the right hand side pivot table editor, and in the left hand side you can add the rows, column and values. To add rows and column, you can add here. Just click on the add button and here you can see the drop down list all the header of your data. I just click here the location to add in rows. Here you see the location added. In columns, I just click on the add and click on the manager. Here you see the manager names is added in the column, and if you want to add the values, add in values amount. You see all the amount also added. Okay, now I want to add the filter. I just click on the add and click on the date. So showing all items is a date wise filter. So if you want to data particular date, so I just click on this arrow and here you see all date is selected. Just clear this filter and select the date those you want. I just select the 1st April 2018 and click on OK. Here you see data filter on that date only. Okay, if you want to showing all item again, just click on this arrow and select all and click on OK. Okay, in rows here you see the location I added, but its location order in the ascending order. If you want to descending, you can select here descending item. Here you see already ascending order is mentioned, central, east and west. If you clicked on descending order, the descending order set in the pivot table. Same as in column, you see the ascending order is already set. If you want the descending order, you can change accordingly. In values, summarize by sum. If you want to summarize by in average count, you can do it. Just click on this arrow here. You see the all function you can summarize. I just click on the count to summarize by count. I just click on the average to summarize in average. Here you see the average, and if you want to see the maximum amount, you can summarize by max. I just click on the sum by default. This is a way you can edit your rows, column and values and filter. And here you see the suggested pivot table showing in Google Sheet. When you click the sum of unit and amount for each item, when you click on it, the pivot table is ready. The item and sum of unit and sum of amount. Second one, sum of amount of each location wise. When you click it, the location here see and sum of amount show here. Sum of amount for each item, only amount here show with the item name. This is a suggested pivot table, you can use it, and if you want to edit on it, you can add here as per your requirement. And here you see the grand total, and here also see the in column also grand total show. If you don't want grand total in rows, then you can just edit here in rows, show total, just untick it. The grand total is not showing here. If you want, again click on it, show total, the grand total. If you don't want the column grand total, just go to the column editor and you can just untick this show total. The untick grand total is remove. And if you want to add it again, just click on in show total to grand total. Okay, this is a way you can set the grand total also. So this is a way you can create a pivot table in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.